Hey all, hope you are good. Welcome to my channel Sri World of Coding. In today's video, I'm going to show how we can create an alert such that when a pipeline fails, we will receive an alert that your pipeline failed. So let's begin. So as you know, in my previous video, I've created a store procedure that will log a pipeline such that whenever a pipeline will run, in our database, uh, our pipeline gets logged. Okay, as you can see, uh, each time a pipeline gets logged, runs pipeline dot execution a record is being entered. So now let's create a alert and a trigger. First, we will create a trigger such that it should run every 2 minutes. Okay, we will use schedule type trigger. I want to run it from today. Okay, uh, okay. I will use Kolkata time. I want it should run every, let's say, 1 minute. Okay, or 2 minutes. Okay, I want as the trigger gets created, it will start execution. Click on OK. Okay, click on uh, click here, or let's run create a trigger to run every 1 minute. Okay, for the sake of uh, okay, now let's attach a trigger that we've created. Store procedure trigger. Okay, you can verify again. Okay, you can verify again all the details and click on OK. Now we have attached trigger to our pipelines, Sri pipeline. Okay, click on publisher and click on publish. So, so we have created a scheduling trigger such that it will run every 1 minute. So what we can do, we can go inside monitoring tab and go inside trigger runs. Okay, so uh, we can check that whenever a pipeline will run. Okay, but we can see a trigger name being present here and the time when it ran. Uh, so it being refreshed. Let's wait for the pipeline to trigger automatically. Okay, okay, as you can see, our stored procedure trigger automatically at 12 on 3rd July. Okay, so now let's create an alert. Okay, and we will intentionally fail the pipeline such that we will receive a notification that our pipeline uh, our pipeline got failed. So I will create a store procedure alert. Okay, we'll give the same description here. We want it should be severe. Okay, here we can see that are various matrices. Okay, here we will choose pipeline fail. Okay, let's choose for failed pipeline run matrices. We can also use failed trigger run matrices when a trigger gets failed. For now, we will use failed pipeline run matrices and click on continue. Okay, we will use the pipeline that are present here and the type of value. For here, I will select all. It should fail from user as a system error or bad gateway. But then comes the alert logic. So, and here comes the threshold value 0, so that it will fail anytime a event alert gets generated. Okay, evaluation based on 1 minute. Okay, let it be default. Now we will configure email, SMS, or push voice notification. Click on configure notification. Let's give a name. Let's give demo story. Okay, we can also use a existing action group name and click on add notification. So let's give a name alert. Okay, we will give our email ID such that each time the pipeline gets failed, we will receive a alert on a mail. So I will give the email ID. It's 3999. Okay, and click on add notification. Click on add action group. The action group name should be short. Okay, let's give it this. Okay, click on add action group and click on alert. So we have created rules such that every time our pipeline gets failed, okay, we will receive a notification. As you can see, inside of alerts, store procedure alert is being present and it's enabled also. Now okay, let's go to monitoring tab and check our pipeline is being run every 1 minute or not. As you can see, our pipeline is running every 1 minute. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's intentionally fail our pipeline. Okay, let's see. As you can see, each variable we have specified a value and each value is of string data type. But intentionally, let's change the data type to int. Okay. Okay, let's click on validate and let's publish our pipeline. So what we are doing, we are changing a data type of the variable such that each will provide the value of a string, but the data type we have specified is of int 64. Let's go to the monitoring tab and let's go here. Click on refresh in pipelines. As you can see here, you can see our pipeline is being successfully run. So here we will see succeeded. As you can see, when the trigger got run at 12:16, our pipeline got failed. So this means we should have received an alert. So let's check whether we have received alert or not. Okay, as you can see, we have okay, we have received a mail that okay, that our email ID has been added in our action group. Okay, let's click on refresh again to see that pipeline failed is received or not. Let it trigger once more. Click on refresh. So again our pipeline got failed. It's the second time our pipeline got failed. Okay, We haven't received the mail until now. Let's check why. Uh, in our alerts, let's check whether we have specified pipeline failure error or not. Click on edit. Okay, whenever pipeline failed. Okay, let's go back to the email. Okay, as you can see, we have received an email that our pipeline got failed. Okay, it took a bit of time to alert get activated. Okay, this was the name of the rule. Uh, alert, the alert rule that we gave the name. Okay, alert, and this will provide the reason. Okay, why alert got activated. So we have specified that pipeline failed run metric. So it will give the name of the pipeline, and it will give the reason that it was type of failure type was user error. Okay, okay, the period, the operator, the threshold. So each time the pipeline will run, okay, we will receive a alert that our pipeline got failed. So hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel.